What is blockchain? Blockchain is a distributed database shared amongst the nodes of a computer network. Similar to a database, the blockchain stores information electronically in digital form. Yet it stores data differently. Data is stored in blocks that are then linked together later. Blockchain enables cryptocurrency to exist, with Bitcoin being the most prominent cryptocurrency blockchain was created for. Blockchain technology is unique from others because of its secure and decentralized transactions. This security makes blockchain a potential game changer in the financial world. Here are 5 key benefits of this technology. 1. It is an immutable public digital ledger. Blockchain technology works on the foundation of immutable ledgers. This means records of transactions cannot be deleted, destroyed, or altered. It allows the digital transformation to be recorded and distributed over several network nodes at various locations. 2. Encryption. Encryption means data is encoded or scrambled, so the information is only available to the intended audience. Due to encryption, blockchain is secure for users. 3. Speed. Blockchain technology allows rapid and efficient transactions, where the transaction is completed immediately and the ledger is updated automatically. 4. Decentralization, meaning no single person or entity has control. No intermediary is required. This also minimizes extra fees third parties often charge. 5. Transparency. Even though transactions are anonymous, thanks to encryption, all transactions can be viewed using blockchain explorers, meaning you can view transactions as they occur live. These benefits generate trust without the involvement and requirement of a centralized agency. Blockchain technology provides instant and borderless transactions throughout the world, 24/7, removing the requirement for a third party. All of these benefits drive the growing adoption and use of blockchains and cryptocurrency today and into the future.